Welcome to Soul Society. In this video I will talk about how to treat hot flashes with lemon balm. A hot flash is the sudden feeling of warmth in the upper body, which is usually most intense over the face, neck and chest. Your skin might redden, as if you're blushing. A hot flash can also cause sweating. If you lose too much body heat, you might feel chilled afterward. Night sweats are hot flashes that happen at night, and they may disrupt your sleep. Although other medical conditions can cause them, hot flashes most commonly are due to menopause, the time when menstrual periods become irregular and eventually stop. In fact, hot flashes are the most common symptom of the menopausal transition. Lemon balm could regulate symptoms related to hormonal upheaval, especially menopause, such as hot flashes. For that, you need lemon balm leaves, water, then, pour a teaspoon of lemon balm in a cup of hot water. Let it steep for a minute and strain. Finally, drink the preparation morning, noon and evening. Be mindful of the following ways you can improve your health. Eat a well-balanced diet and control portion size. Exercise regularly. Stop smoking and stay away from secondhand smoke. If symptoms persist, consult a doctor. Please note that plants are not harmless remedies. Never exceed the indicated doses. Subscribe to Soul Society for more remedies and check out the description below to get more information. Thanks for watching.